Today I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp dark mode on my iPhone. Easily turn on dark mode on my WhatsApp. So as you can see, open my WhatsApp, press on to setting option, press on chat. As you can see, not showing it to exactly enable to dark mode on my iPhone. So close this, go to my control center, actually turn on dark mode, enable to dark mode, then enable WhatsApp dark mode. If you don't get dark mode option in your control center, at first time remove. How can easily get? Long press, add a control, search here to dark option, add dark mode, turn on, turn off dark mode, or the another, open your settings to appearance, showing it to light and dark mode, enable dark mode, then enable WhatsApp dark mode.